Hey guys, what's up? It's TDRP Cubing here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Merge Cube. So here's the Merge Cube. Basically what you do is you download an app and you'll show it, and it can be like anything you want. I'm going to make it a Rubik's Cube just for the purpose of my channel. And yeah, get ready to see that. So it did take me a while to solve this cube, but when you're having this much fun, you don't really notice the time fly by. But the video was long, so I did cut it in half and put it on time lapse. Anyways, I'll just let you watch the rest of the clip for now. So the cube was $1 and the app was $2.99. So if you want to go to the app, then go to the App Store. And if you want to get the cube, then go to Walmart, because that's where I got it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye.